with the details in the rough book only. Uh, Once you are ready with the heading, please say yes, sir, and your name.
Yes, sir. Kazi Zoha.
Yes, sir. Raujani Muskan.
Yes, sir. Multani Misbah.
Okay, girls, you know reference to context means what, girls? That one line is given or one paragraph is given, that is called our context. Huh? So that line or that paragraph is called context, and the questions given below that we have to refer to that context. By reading the question, again we have to refer to the context, to the paragraph given. That is called refer to the context, reference to context. So you know that first you have to write that line or that paragraph and then the questions. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please write number 1 with big and good handwriting in the column number 1. And girls, questions you may write from your textbook. Right now you have to just write the answer. Textbook PDF I already have sent. Yes or no? Lesson number 1.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay, very good. So questions you may not write right now because right now we have the time just to write the answer, and the answers are very small, not more than 2 lines. We will enjoy writing it. Okay, I will just read the question. You have to just write the answer. I repeat, don't write questions. Great. Yeah, go with mom. I'll take your hat. This is the context. Now, question A. Who spoke these words to whom? Answer A. Please write answer A. I hope you have written number 1 first of all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is main question 1, and then under that you have to write answer A. Okay, answer. Narrator's father. Narrator apostrophe S. Narrator apostrophe S. Narrator's father spoke these words. Spoke these words to the narrator. The narrator. I'll repeat the answer. Please check your answer. Narrator's father spoke these words to the narrator. Muskan, what is the answer? Please repeat it.
Yes, sir. Narrator's father spoke these words to the narrator.
Thank you. Okay. Now listen to me carefully. Question B. What is the question? Where was the speaker asking the listener to go? Who was the speaker? Narrator's father. And who was listening? Narrator. So, father asked narrator to go where with mother?
At the ride.
Very good. So, let us write the proper answer. Answer B. Please leave one line and then write answer B. The speaker asked, 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 the speaker asked listener, listener. Anyways, girls, these spellings are given in the textbook, so don't worry, you can just correct it. That's the reason why I'm asking you to write it right now in the rough book. Anyways, the speaker asked the listener to go to go to the California screaming with her mother. I'll repeat the answer. The speaker asked the listener to go to the California screaming with her mother. Girls, please add one more word. California screaming ride. California screaming ride with her mother. The speaker asked listener to go to the California screaming ride with her mother. This will be the answer. Once if you have done, say yes sir and then mute the mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I hope when I'm speaking you are able to write
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
easily or hardly.
Easy.
Great. Let's okay, thank you. Yes, Mohammed Irfan Sheikh. I think she raised the hand. Sheikh Mehreen, what happened?
Sir,
Did
nothing.
she speak anything? Okay, leave. Someone's mic is on and it's irritating me. Don't please irritate me. Okay, question C. Listen to me carefully, girls. The question. Alicia, you have to listen to me properly. If it is hardly for you, that means your level is very low. You have to increase your level in sixth standard. I cannot, expect you to give the question answers like small children, second and third standard. Then what is the difference between second and sixth standard? Question C. You don't have to write the question, so don't worry. Write the question afterwards from the textbook PDF. Question C is, who else was there with them at the time? Who else was there with them at the time? Yes, Zoha. Will you be able to answer this?
Yes, sir.
Were you sleeping? So are you asking me? I repeated the question 2 times and now you're saying yes, sir?
Sorry, sir. I am answering.
Who else was there with them at that time? Come on, girls. Who will answer this? Raise the hand. No one. Very bad. My boys are good. They answer me immediately because they were paying attention when I was teaching them. They are smart. Yes, Sirat Fatima, tell me.
Sir, at that time, narrator's father, narrator's mother, narrator's brother, and narrator.
Don't you think you have repeated narrator many times? How can you remove that repetition? Sirat Fatima, I hope you understand what am I trying to ask you.
Yes, sir. Narrator's mother, father, and brother.
You have to put the comma, right?
Yes.
Narrator, father, mother, brother, and narrator herself were there at that time, right?
Yes, sir.
But no, your answer is half right. Just try to think, why did I say that your answer is half right? Who else was there? Okay, let me give the hint. Sirat Fatima. They were standing in the line, correct, Sirat Fatima?
Yes, sir.
For the ride. So who else will be there? The sunburned riders, right? They were waiting for the ride.
Yes, sir.
Okay, girls, please write answer C. Leave one line and write answer C. See, I'll repeat two words, three words only two times. So you have to pay attention here. You cannot act like you are a second standard student. Okay, answer C. At that time, at that time, at that time, narrator's father. So, girls, narrator apostrophe S. Narrator's father, comma, mother, mother, comma, brother, brother, comma, narrator herself, narrator herself, narrator herself, and many others, sorry, many other sunburned riders, sunburned riders were there. WERE is not where. WERE is called, it is pronounced as were. Were there. I'll repeat the answer. Please check your answer. At that time, narrator's father, mother, brother, narrator herself, and many other sunburned riders were there. Once if you have done, just say yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Suresh
sir.
Fatima.
Yes, sir. Balcony computer. Yes.
Yes,
Excuse
sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You
Yes, beta.
send to us that PD question answers of lesson one.
Arfa, what are you trying to say?
I am trying to say आपने चैप्टर वन के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भेज दिए हैं.
क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भेज दिए हैं. Yes, beta.
No, sir.
Girls, have
No,
I sent, beta?
sir.
That
No, sir.
Okay.
no
Sir,
Uh,
Mary.
No,
wait,
sir.
wait,
you
wait.
please also.
Arfa,
Yes
I
sir.
have just dictated in the class, and today I have asked Zohar to send me. So once I'll check the answers, I'll forward it to you along with the reference to contact beta.
No, sir.
Okay.
Who is this Mohammad Irfan Sheikh? Please mute the mic, beta. When I'm talking to someone, let me talk to one girl. Okay, Arfa, let me repeat my answer. I have asked
Sir,
Zohar
my
to.
mic is off. Mute on.
अरे यार Am I audible? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank God. So there was the issue in my mic or in her mic?
In her mic. Mohammed Irfan.
Who was that? I don't know. I can't even read the name.
Sheikh Marin.
Oh, okay. So she might be getting my voice 10 to 15 seconds later. That's why she was answering me later, I suppose. Anyways, please let me repeat the answer. Yes, Doha, now you are speaking. यार आप लोगों को यार पता नहीं चलता कि सर किसी से बात कर रहे हैं तो यार बीच में मत बोलो. ये कौन सा डिसिप्लिन है आप लोगों के अंदर डियर? Since the year started, I have taught you the same thing repeatedly. Don't please act like a villager. Now I will not answer anyone. Yes, Zoha, you wanted to speak something?
Sir, you say, am I audible? So I just answered to that. Yes, sir. I didn't speak anything else.
I suppose you girls have written all the three answers here. Okay, let's move towards second. Please write number 2. Leave 1 or 2 lines and write number 2 because we are moving towards second reference to context. In first, there were 3 answers. In second, there are again 3 answers. And again, same 1 or 2 lines, not more than that, I suppose. I have not yet checked all the questions. Okay, so second reference to context. There the context is given. I clenched my sweaty hands and had a nervous smile on my face. Question A. Just listen to the question. Don't try to copy the question. You have the textbook, you can copy it from it. Where was the narrator and who was she with? Very easy answer, girls. Please write answer A. First of all, have you written number 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Answer A. Number 2, answer A. The narrator was sitting in the California screaming. Sitting in the California screaming, comma. The narrator was sitting in the California screaming, comma. She was sitting in second division. She was sitting in the second division. With her mother. She was sitting in the second division with her mother. Full stop. I'll repeat the answer. The narrator was sitting in the California screaming, comma. She was sitting in the second division with her mother. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, done, Iman Fatima.
So why did you raise the hand, Iman Fatima? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Anyways, question B. Listen to me. Question B is, why was she nervous? Huh, very easy. Who will answer me this? Why was she nervous?
Sir, because she was afraid of California scream.
Um. Okay. You will have to give me precise answer. Here, because she was afraid, she was nervous. What can you write in the answer?
Sir, can I try?
Yes. Try.
Narrator was nervous because she was afraid of California screaming.
So can you add one more thing? And the ride was about to begin.
Yes.
Let's write this answer. Very good. Very well done, Muskan. Okay, let's write the answer.
Thank you, sir.
Let us write the answer. Answer B. She was nervous. She was nervous. Nervous. She was nervous because she was afraid of she was afraid of the ride, the ride she was sitting in. She was afraid of the ride she was sitting in. And about to begin. About to begin. Full stop. Done, girls?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
Done.
done. Yes, sir, done.
Great stuff. Now, question C. Did she remain nervous till the end? Please write the answer. Answer C. And someone's mic is on. Please check your mic. I don't have to scold you again. Answer C. No, comma, no, comma. She did not. She did not remain nervous. Remain nervous till the end. No, comma. She did not remain nervous till the end. Full stop. So, girls, today we have completed 2 reference to context. There are actually 3. In all these 3, in each these 3 questions, 3 more questions are there. 3 threes are 9 questions, from which we have already completed 6 small questions. That means in first reference to context there are 3 answers, and in second as well. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Only if it is important you will speak.
Yes, sir. Ca- Can we write this reference to context in file book?
Yes, you can write,
Thank you, sir.
but with the proper questions, because textbook PDF I already have sent. If you don't have the textbook at all, please write the question properly and then the answer.
Excuse me,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes, Arfa?
You send to us. आप भेजोगे ना हम लोग को आज PDF?
Arfa, are you dependent only on the PDF? आपको ये
No,
इंटरेस्ट
sir.
नहीं है कि आप लिखने की जो आपकी
I
स्पीड है?
also write there.
बेटा, मैं एक लड़की के साथ बात कर रहा हूँ तो दूसरे को जवाब कैसे दूंगा? ओके बाय, आई डोंट वांट टू आंसर एनीवन. यू विल लूज योर डिसिप्लिन. आई वांट आंसर. बाय.
Bye, sir. Have a beautiful day.
Hey, man.
मुस्कान जब कोई गुस्से से झा रहा होता है ना, तब उसे बाई सर ब्यूटीफुल डे